The major and obvious advantage of model automated development is speed to delivery. You simply create your diagram, your model, select your template, put it into the code engine, as in this case the MAD engine, and out comes your source code. But there is also a subtler advantage, which is code quality, and that's what I want to talk about here. We make a valid attempt to improve the quality by using acronyms to remind us to structure our code down to the method or even the line level. I'm sure you will have heard of the concept of dry, don't repeat yourself, or even the solid principles. We attempt to implement design patterns like MVC and repository with varying degrees of success. Frankly, I'm amazed at how teams fail to implement such simple patterns. This is commonly due to a poor naming strategy and location within the solution. On a side note, I have worked with bad actors claiming the solution implements CQRS, when this is not the case. Clearly, this is a status game being played here. I have seen the overuse of niche libraries such as Automapper to map code owned by the team to other code owned by the team. In both cases, this decreases the quality of the code. So increased structure leads to standardization, which results in a higher quality product. Let's say the perfectly built solution is a red brick wall, then the opposite would be brick rubble. A solution will fall somewhere on this spectrum. As the solution matures, its likelihood of becoming more like rubble increases. This is also the case when hiring more staff to maintain the solution, often in response to a poorly written codebase. But with model automated development, up to 70% of the solution is generated, structured, and does not require manual maintenance. This significantly saves time and staffing overhead costs. I have successfully used the MAD engine for many years, refining it as I go. I've used it to build a startup called Silkflow. I'll probably do a video covering this in the future. I'm in the process of bringing the MAD engine to the web, so please subscribe to join me on my journey. Oh, and comments are always welcome. You can find links in the description. One more thing. Thank you for watching.